us.doonails.com is, without a doubt, one of the most outstanding online destinations for nail enthusiasts, beauty lovers, and anyone who appreciates high-quality nail care products. From the very first visit, the website immediately impresses with its modern, intuitive, and highly user-friendly design. Navigating through the site is effortless. Whether you are a seasoned professional searching for the latest nail tools and accessories, or a beginner exploring the world of nail art for the first time, the layout is clean, organized, and visually appealing, making the shopping experience both enjoyable and efficient. One of the first things that caught my attention was the incredible variety of products they offer. From vibrant nail polishes, gels, and top coats to professional-grade nail tools, acrylic kits, and manicure accessories, Doonails ensures that every nail care need is met with precision and quality. The attention to detail in their product selection is remarkable, as each item reflects both style and functionality, allowing users to achieve salon-quality results right at home. The quality of the products is truly impressive. Each polish boasts rich pigmentation, smooth application, and long-lasting durability, ensuring that nails look flawless for days without chipping or fading. The nail tools, brushes, and kits are crafted with precision, offering excellent performance that rivals professional salon equipment. I found their acrylic kits and nail extension products particularly noteworthy, as they are user-friendly, safe, and reliable, making it easy even for beginners to create stunning, professional-looking nail designs. Another aspect that makes us.doonails.com exceptional is their commitment to affordability without compromising on quality. Their products are competitively priced, and the website frequently offers discounts, promotions, and bundled deals that make shopping even more satisfying. It's clear that the company values its customers by ensuring that top-notch nail care is accessible to everyone, from casual users to professional nail artists.